Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. So today, I will going to discuss the different symbol used in the circuit of motor control. But before we proceed to the proper discussion, let's identify first yung objectives of this discussion. At the end of the lesson, students should be able to: number one, define the symbol; number two, identify the symbol used in the ladder diagram for motor control; and lastly is determine the symbol used for a specific device. Let's define what is symbol. A symbol typically refers to a graphical representation used in a circuit diagram to represent components, connection, or function related to the controlling electric motors. So, as an electrical practitioner, electrician or technician, understanding the symbol used in electrical diagram is crucial for a several reasons. First is yung communication. Electrical diagram serve as an universal language for communicating complex electrical system and circuit. So, knowing the symbol ensure that you can understand and convey information accurately to the other practitioner, electrician, technician, engineers, or technician. So next, or yung pangalawa is design and analysis. So, when designing electrical system or troubleshooting existing ones, so diagrams are essential for planning and analysis. Understanding the symbol, so allow you to interpret the diagram correctly. Understanding the symbol allow you to interpret the diagram correctly. So, ensuring accurate design and effective troubleshooting. And lastly is safety. So, incorrectly interpreting symbol can lead to a mistake in wiring or configuration. Potentially, it may result in electrical hazard such as short circuit and electrical shocks or overload. So, knowing the symbol help ensure that you follow proper safety protocols and standard. Okay. So first is let's proceed to the different device or different symbol used in electric or used in motor control. So first is electric motor. So electric motor is the output in the motor control, and it converts the electrical energy into mechanical energy. So here is the actual image of electric motor, and ganito naman yung symbol niya. Ganito naman yung electrical symbol niya. So circle lang siya and may letter M siya sa loob. Okay? And next is the magnetic contactor. So, a magnetic contactor is a type of electromechanical switch. So, meaning, it utilizes mechanical action to change the direction or path of electricity. So, from the last discussion, we all know naman na yung magnetic contactor have a three different contacts. Ito yung coil, auxiliary contact, and yung main contact niya. So each contact have an assigned a symbol. So first is yung coil natin. So yung coil natin is powered to pull the different contacts. So to find the magnetic or to find the coil in magnetic contactor, so we need to search the A1 and A2. And here is the symbol of coil. So ayan, halos katulad halos katulad lang siya ng electric motor natin. So, circle lang din siya, pero yung nakalagay sa loob niya ay MC. Okay? Yung minsan naman nakalagay sa kanya ay M1, M2, or M3. Next naman is auxiliary contact. So, the auxiliary contact are allowed to pass small current used to show the status of the main contact. So, in other words, it provide an interface to the control system. So, nahati ito sa dalawa. Ito yung normally open and normally closed. So to find the normally open and magnetic contactor, so we need to search the number that end in 3 and 4. So for example, 13 and 14, normally open yun. 23 and 24, normally open yun. 33 and 34, normally open yun. Okay, so lahat ng number na nag-end sa 3 and 4, normally open yan. And here is the electrical symbol of normally open. Ayan lang siya. So, mapapansin natin na meron siyang gap dito sa loob or sa gitna niya. So, it represent open, kaya tinawag din siyang normally open. So, next is normally closed. So, to find the normally closed in magnetic contactor, so we need to search a number that end in 1 and 2. So, for example, 11 and 12. So, normally close yun. 21 and 22. Normally close yun. 31 and 32. Normally close yun. Okay? And here is the electrical symbol of normally close. So, ayan. Halos magkaparehas lang sila ng normally open natin. So, yung pinagkaiba lang ay meron siyang slant na line dito na nagko-connect sa dalawang horizontal line natin. Okay? So, pinapakita niya na close yung contact, kaya din siya tinawag na normally close. Ayan. So, next is main contact. So, the main contact is used in the power circuit to connect the electrical system to the load. So, to find the main contact in magnetic contactor, so we need to search the combination of letter and number. Ito yung L1, L2, L3, and T1, T2, and T3. And here is the electrical symbol of main contact. Yan. So parang pinagsama-sama lang siyang tatlong normally open. So yung line 1 is yung partner niya is T1, line 2 yung partner niya is T2, line 3 is yung partner niya is T3. So next is circuit breaker. So breaker is an electrical safety device used to protect the circuit from short circuit or overload. And here is the electrical symbol of breaker. So ayan. Alam na natin 'yan kasi matagal na tayong gumagawa ng plates. So especially yung schematic diagram. So gamit na natin 'yan. So next is indicator light. So indicator light used to show the status of the circuit. So here is the electrical symbol of indicator light. So ayan, bilog lang din siya and meron siyang X sa loob. And next is push button. So yung push button is used to start and stop the motor. So push button have two types. Ito yung normally open and normally closed. So first is normally open. So normally open used to start the motor. And here is the electrical symbol of push button. So kung mapapansin nyo, meron siyang gap dito. Okay? Merong gap yung horizontal line natin dito sa mga circle niya. Okay? It means open siya. Kaya hindi rin siya connected. Kaya din siya tinawag na normally open. And next is normally closed push button. So normally closed push button used to stop the motor or circuit. And here is the electrical symbol of normally closed push button. Ayan. So kung yung normally open natin ay meron siyang gap dito, so yung normally closed naman natin ay nakadikit yung horizontal line natin sa dalawa nating circle. So it means naka-close siya. Kaya din siya tinawag na normally closed push button. And doon na nagtatapos yung discussion natin about symbol. So before our discussion formally ends, so let's have an activity. So please identify the encircle symbol and write to the paper. Okay, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, Number 6. And here is the answer. So I hope may natutunan kayo sa discussion natin about symbol. And see you sa susunod na video.